Hi everyone! Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Facebook. Okay, first I'm going to open Facebook app. Then tap on these three stacked horizontal lines at the top right corner. On the menu page, tap on the cog icon in the top right corner of your screen, or scroll down the list, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. In the Account section, tap on Personal and Account Information. On the Personal and Account Information page, you can see your current name. Tap on Name to change it. Now you can enter your new first, middle and last name in these fields. Don't forget that if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. So check it for spelling mistakes before confirm the change, as well as make sure you're happy to stick with your new name for a while. And after that, tap on Review Change. Now choose how you want your name to be displayed from these three options. Then enter your Facebook password in this field and tap on Save Changes. Okay, my Facebook name was changed, as you can see. After this, you will have two options. You will be able to change order of your name if you tap on this button. Then you can choose from three options to display your name as before. Or you can change back to your previous name within 48 hours of a name change if you tap on this button. But if you want to change your name again, you should wait 60 days. This is how to change your name on Facebook. If this video helped you, please give a thumbs up. If you want to get more helpful videos, subscribe to Mobile Pro channel. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.